You remember how I was saying that flaky crust? Well, it really comes through with this, and it complements the sandwich a lot. And it works really well with the sauce that's on it. And I mean, you could do without this lettuce. This lettuce is nothing. Like, you don't even need that lettuce. Like, it does nothing for the sandwich. I could take that. Like, it's not even. It doesn't even look good on the sandwich. They should just get rid of it. Like, it doesn't need it. You barely taste it. But just the sauce and the chicken and the bread they're using, it works really well.